What's up, brownies? Aisha and Shanique here. In the previous video, I shampooed her hair with Uncle Funky's Daughter Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser and deep conditioned with their Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. In the video before that, I showed you how I prepped her hair for wash day with a hot oil treatment using Kissy Girl. You can check out both of those videos in the links above, and they will also be in the description box below. Now I'm going to show you how I styled her hair after wash day. Her hair is parted from ear to ear. It was already sectioned off in 4 sections for wash day. And I'm going to start in the rear left section of her head, and we're just going to make a straight part from the mid part that's already there all the way to the side of her head. And then I'm going to make squares. But before I do that, I'm going to apply Uncle Funky's Daughter's Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream to this section of hair that I've just parted out. I'm going to finger comb that through her hair, and I'm going to make sure that I pay attention to her ends. The next product I'm going to use is Uncle Funky's Daughter Shining Star. And the last product I'm going to use for a hold is Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. Then I'm going to proceed to rope twist each section. If you don't know how to rope twist, I'll have that link above that you can click on to learn how to do that. And I'm just going to repeat this process through the whole rear section of her head until all of her rope twists are done. I'm also finger curling her ends to make sure they're nice and curled once I complete all of her twists. Now I'm just going to kind of freestyle and cornrow the first section of hair. Once I get to my part in the middle that divides the sections from each other, I'm going to stop braiding and I'm going to start twisting her hair. I'm not going to add a rubber band or anything to hold the braid. I'm just going to immediately take the sections. Instead of them being into 3, I'm going to put them into 2 sections and just rope twist going all the way down to the end. Then I'm going to curl her ends. You can just kind of watch and see how I'm parting her hair and making her cornrows. My battery did go dead throughout the process of making part of this video, and I chose to just continue to do her hairstyle instead of stopping because it was already getting late. And so I apologize if some of you can't just visually see how the style is done and repeat it, but this is what we have. And once I got towards the end, my battery had a little juice in it, so I went ahead and started back filming. I was able to get maybe the last couple of cornrows that were done. If you don't know how to cornrow, you can check that video out in the link above. I've had hundreds of people tell me how they learned how to do it by watching my videos, so check it out. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We love you as always. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later. Bye, brownies.